DIY random videos uploaded regularly. You may check other videos. We have more than 900 random cool videos. You may like a video or so, consider subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all subscribers, to all viewers. Feel free to comment, ask any questions. We'll be more than happy to answer. This Braun electric water kettle broke and stopped working anymore. We were just about to throw it out until I decided to fix it, and it was actually easy fix. Power button connected to the safety switch, and you can see this one, it's snapped and it got broken. That's why it doesn't work anymore. So because this water kettle has a lifetime warranty, and the only thing can break, which is the piece of plastic holding the safety switch. But before I fix that plastic holder holding the safety switch, I will check the base. It feeds the AC voltage to the water column. So as you see here, there's only like two connection, and basically those connection are like water resist, corrosion resist. That's why this one is one of the best. Checking the voltage here, as you see, this one has a 3 connection. So the live and the negative, or the positive and negative. The second one, like this is the main, which is 120 volt. So that's good thing. The base for the AC voltage is working fine, and this one I don't have to worry about it, so that's a good thing. Now let's move on to the I'm gonna test it before I attempt to fix the snap or the broken plastic, to make sure if the coil, heater core, and the coil is working. And So that's the safety main switch and the safety in the same time. And I noticed this one is still working fine. There's nothing wrong with the coil and or the heater core. Everything is functional good. Speed up the video and you can see the water start boiling within a short time. Now that main switch on the safety switch in the same time, it has a two main functional, like to turn on and off, and then the second one is when the water reach boiling at high temperature, it's automatically shuts off and turns off. And this one, it's not, however, it's not like plastic. It is made of I'm not sure what type of this material, but it's really durable. And the reason maybe broke because we have this for like many years, and we've been using it for almost every day, so that's why maybe it snapped. To fix this, because it's not like real plastic, it's made of other material, I'm using this instant glue or crazy glue just to hold it on place so it doesn't move. This, however, glue is not gonna hold, but this is the best tool I use for fixing plastic welder. I have a video of this tool, reviewing and checking it, testing it. I'll leave the link in the description for that video if you like to check it out. So I'm using plastic welder to weld it really good, as you see, and that way it will never break again. Now I have to cut those stainless steel wire or the stapler or stitches or something like that. I put that piece of plastic tape just to hold it in place. Now it seems it's working fine. It is really important to make sure that safety switch is functional as the factory, otherwise it's not gonna work. A quick test here and it seems it's working good. Now it's the real test. Add some water and turn on, and it seems it's working perfect. Now I'm just putting everything back. This cover has only one screw in the back holding it, and it's just basically this kind of it like has some clips, so you just put it in and press, and it will stay in the place. And now testing time, and it seems like is working as it should be. So that's what I do most of my time. Maintenance, I do a lot of maintenance, fixing things. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Hope to see you next time.